Hey everyone, I just want to make a quick install video on the new Renko version metrics. Now, your screen probably looks something similar like this, which is the current version of Wave Runner. Now, I want to show you guys exactly how to load everything from start to finish so you don't have any complications. Also, the settings for fast and slow. I'm going to go over everything right this moment. Let's go ahead and go down here. If you guys are new, you're probably at Gumroad, or you've just purchased, or you're getting an update on this. Two folders that I need you to download. The Ninja Renko folder, go ahead and download to your computer. And I also need you to download this Wave Runner template. Just so you know, the fast and slow settings are already set here, but I want to show you how to actually input that on your charts. So go ahead and download those two things first, and let's head back to NinjaTrader. Now on NinjaTrader, you guys know we have the control center over here. I need you to go to Tools, Import, Ninja Script Add-on, and this is where you're going to be adding on the folder for Renko. Okay, let's take a look here in just 1 second. So this one right here, the Ninja Renko, I want you to double click that and then add it to your chart. Now what it'll do is it will actually add it on your NinjaTrader chart automatically. Now, if it doesn't show up, and the way you can tell, if it doesn't show up, go up to your data series here, and I want you to go over here to type. Where it says last in the minute, where it says type, click on this button and then go down in Ninja Renko. If it doesn't say Ninja Renko, do not be afraid. All you have to do is close out of NinjaTrader after you've uploaded that folder successfully, upload NinjaTrader again, and all will be taken care of. I actually had to do this myself. So if you need to restart NinjaTrader, go ahead and do that now. And when you get back on, go ahead and again, you'll just go to your data series at top. You're going to go here to the minute. You're going to change that over to Renko. And these two settings right here are exactly what you're going to use to input that's on this screen. So for example, fast settings. What is a fast setting? That is actually when you're in the New York session. So if we're trading the New York session, you want this set to 64.16. And when you're outside the New York session, set it to 35.7. So let's go 64.16. Let's head over. Top one, we're going to do 64. And the bottom one, we're going to do 16. That's it. That's all we're going to do on this chart, right? So go ahead and do OK. Now, that'll take a second to load on your screens. What you have to do now is, since you have all these templates and everything on here, you need to actually load the Wave Runner template, which is going to look a little bit different. This is also super simple. So this folder that you downloaded right here that says Wave Runner Renko 1.0, that is what you're going to use to actually download and put into your chart templates. So just go onto your computer, and under your documents, I want you to click on Documents and go over to NinjaTrader 8. Click on NinjaTrader 8. Go down to where it says Templates. Then the third one down that says Chart. And you're not going to have all these. This is because I test out a lot for you guys. You want to paste the folder that says Wave Runner Renko 1.0 in here. Once you've pasted that into this folder, you can just get rid of this. Everything is now saved under NinjaTrader. You just right mouse click anywhere on your main chart, come down to Templates, go to Load, and you will notice Wave Runner Renko 1.0 right here. Click on that, and it'll automatically change everything to my exact settings that I'm showing on YouTube to make the profits that you're seeing. Guys, this is an absolutely amazing upgrade. Please do make sure to follow these steps. Just to say this again, there's two things you need to upload. You're going to upload the Renko first, which is going to be this folder right here if you're new purchasing. That's going to be as a Ninja Script add-on, which you will do through Tools, Import, Add-on. And the other one you will just import as a file on your computer, going to Documents, Documents, NinjaTrader 8, Templates, and Chart. You do those two things, you are good to go. Now, I don't save any like screens. I just save this as templates. So if you make any changes, all you have to do is right mouse click, do templates, and then save. So guys, here's the install video. You don't have to make any changes after this. If you ever want to change your settings, go up to the data field If you're trading after the New York session, just change this here to 35 and 7. That'll give you the best settings for aftermarket since, of course, price action is going to be less. But if you're trading the New York session, 64, 16 is the sweet number that you want to put on here to have your charts look exactly like mine. All right, guys, take care. God bless.